Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have bring up with useful information, that is how to check your phone condition, or you can consider your phone age. So for Android there will be some secret codes. To make sure whether all the phone sensors, display, speaker, buttons working fine or not, we need to do some basic test by ourselves. Like why to waste our time? Let's start. First you need to go to keypad. So then enter *#0 *#. New screen will pop up. So here these are the tests we should mandatorily perform to make sure whether our phone is working fine or not. So if I click on this red square box, it should show the red color. So yeah, it is working fine. Then I'm coming to back. Then if I click on this green, so it should show the green display. Yeah, it's working fine. And if I'm clicking on blue color, then also it's working fine. Then if I click on this receiver button, like you should hear some noise. Yeah, it's also working fine. So I'm going back. So I'm just checking the vibration, whether our phone vibration is working fine or not. So yeah, for me, like it is audible clearly. So I'm going back. So like I want to tell one thing, like if you want to go back, just drag your finger from like right corner to the middle, then it will automatically go back. So like I want to open the Mac cam button, so it should open the camera. So yes, it's working fine. I can capture with the help of flash as well. So after that one, I'm going to the sensor part. If you want to check the individual sensor, suppose consider magnetic sensor. So I want to test this sensor particularly. Just click on self test here. So it will show the values and with the result as pass. So like that you need to test individual sensors. So I'm going back. So yeah, like next important thing is like we will check the touch sensor. So I'm clicking on this one. So here like we need to draw according to the lines here. So this will help us to make sure our display is working fine as expected. It means the edges are working fine as expected. Generally like our mobile will fall, so it will 99% effect on edges only. That's why to make sure whether edges display is working or not. So by seeing this one, so my display is working expected. So like that I am clicking on the speaker button. Hear the sound. So it's also working fine. So this sub key. So what you need to do, like you need to press power up button. So I'm clicking power up. That's why like I can see white color display. I'm pressing power down button. I can see the green color. Now I can press the power button. So now I can see the red color. So now I'm going back. So then I am checking the like front camera here. So this front camera also, it's also working fine as expected. So I took the photo as well. So it's also working expected only. I'm going back. So then this grip sensor, I'm going to touch this one. So now it is telling us to release. So what you need to do, you just need to take your phone from top to bottom. Then it will, the sensor will work and it will tell us working. So then this black button, it will make sure the display is black. This is also working fine as expected. So now I will press this All IC button. So I want to share on information regarding this All IC sensor. So generally in some of the mobile, like we used to put flip covers, right? Like you can consider flip cases. So what will happen in that case, like we can, if you observe, like we will find magnets in that. So whenever the flip closes the mobile screen, automatically our screen will off. It will stand off. Whenever we open the cover of the mobile, then automatically the screen will on. So this sensor will help us in reducing the power consumption. Yeah, this is the main advantages of this All IC sensor. So this is also working as expected only. Like I'm not sure about this loop block, so just ignore this one. It's not that much important. And version also, this is also not that much important. It will show all the like some model numbers, I think. Yeah, you can ignore that one. So apart from that, like you can make sure what all the buttons are working expected from your mobile. If any of the buttons, example if touch, it is not working, means like better to like show this issue with the respective like technician. So yeah, like I think this video gave a lot of information to you guys. I think we have gone through like very good information. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share it to your friends, and please support us. Let's see in the next video.